If you want to learn how to write in Base44 and turn a simple prompt into a working app or website, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to sign in, what to type, and how to get a fully coded result in just a few minutes. This is perfect if you want to build faster without writing everything manually from scratch. And if you enjoy quick tutorials like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful walkthroughs. Alright, let's get into it. First, sign in to Base44 using your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main workspace. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a chat box on the screen, and that chat box is where you type your prompt. Think of it as your instruction area. Instead of writing code line by line, you simply tell Base44 what you want to create. Now, the key here is to be clear with your prompt. For example, if you want to build a simple task manager app, type something like, create a simple task manager app with aided, delete, and complete task features. You can also include extra functions if you need them, like due dates, priority levels, or a clean modern design. The more specific you are, the better the result will usually be. After you type your prompt, just hit enter. Base44 will start processing your request right away. In a short time, it will generate a fully coded app based on your instructions, along with a preview so you can see what it looks like and how it works. This makes it incredibly easy to go from an idea to a working project without spending hours building everything manually. If the first result is not exactly what you want, you can refine your prompt and try again. For example, you might ask for a more minimal layout, a different color scheme, or additional buttons and features. This is why writing a good prompt in Base44 is so useful. You're basically guiding the platform to build the app the way you imagine it. And that's really all there is to it. Sign in, use the chat box, write your prompt, press enter, and let Base44 generate the app for you. It's fast, simple, and perfect for turning ideas into real projects. If this tutorial helped you, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.